Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw's tips and tricks. Another new video on laser jump starts. And I'll put if you can go to their website and find out pricing. I'm not, well, I'm telling you about it, but I'm not promoting this product. I have no ties with these people. I used to have it 15 years ago, and through the years, I've lost it through different computers, and I just got it back this week. And I'm jumping a little bit ahead of the game. I've made one video on Box It, but somebody needs some help with putting numbers like on a ruler. I didn't make a ruler. I just made a quick box. I mean, this is so easy. You don't have to make a CVS file in Excel. Now, so I just made some blocks that are 1 inch apart, and I took my number, and the only thing you need to make sure you do is center justify the number. Now these blocks are 1 inch apart. So in his question, well, I need to change my nudge distance to 1 inch. His question was, he would like to make a ruler, like a big ruler, and not have to put all the numbers in. So I'm just going to duplicate that number all the way across the page, which is easy. Now I've got too many of them. Now, what is so cool about, it's called Name It in the program, but they inside of Name It, they have Number It. And all you have, one mistake you really need to watch, you need to make sure, if you don't have a capital number, spell it just like that so it can replace it. Well, let's go to, and I type in number. I want the value to start being 1. Say if he's making a ruler that's 39 inches long or whatever, step size is 1. The number width is 2, because I don't want any extra digits. And it'll actually show you when you go through here what your number is going to be. Now, without talking, I could have done this in 2 seconds. Hit this button. Look at that. It changes the number 1 through 39, because that's how many I had. And so if you were making a ruler, most rulers would just be, he's actually talking about 48 is for a car wrap. Now, this isn't going to help him. He was asking if there was some way to do that in Corel. And there is in print merge. But as long as I've been using CorelDraw and think I know pretty good about it, I always have trouble with print merge. This thing is incredible smart. I mean, it's amazing how easy this is. I'm going to try maybe just putting 1 digit, because I don't like that 0. See what happens. See if it does the other numbers. Yes. So that's what you need to set it out. So if you had 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, all the way to 39. And I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this. I mean, you can put in a prefix like, let's say it was a part, and then go. It's gonna, now this might be too big for the bot. Look, part number 1, part number 2, part number 5. Of course, I didn't space it out, but there's a way to do that. That's pretty cool. I really didn't want to do it tonight because I'm kind of jumping ahead. I wanted to stay on Box It for a while and learn it, but there's nothing to learn, folks. I mean, it's incredible. And I will put a link to the website at the bottom of my video. Of course, this is Easter weekend 2024. They might not respond, but if the only thing I know, I don't know anything about prices, because they gave me this for making videos, and they did say if you buy them all, you get a big discount, or if you buy, so let's say you want Box It and Suite and name it, they'll maybe work with you there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.